Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a video of installing the Trailtech Voyager Pro on the Gen 5 Skidoo. Let's jump right in. Take off both vents, gauge cluster, then we can access everything we need to do. So we got the USB port here, and the wiring harness for that ties into the plug. And the power for the Voyager Pro ties in just after it. So what we did is we made the flush with the top, and then you could drill these holes, these 4 holes. Then what we did is there's 2 plugins, one for the buddy system. Take a 3/8 bit, touch on both sides, drill 2 holes for that. As you can see, then it'll sit all nice and flush. Then this rubber has a little hole, so it's sitting nice and flush and not hitting against anything. Now I'll put it all back together so you guys can see what it looks like. There, it's all done and back together. So the reason I did it is because then you can just replace this piece if 4 holes really bothers you when you want to get rid of the sled. And I ran the buddy system line up through this and just stuck it to the bars. There, it's all ready to go. So one thing I did find was a problem is even though you push it in, you can still see there's a little bit, so you got to give it a push, then you know it's 100% latched. Other than that, she's good to go.